Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be continuing our journey of rare succulents, and today's rare succulent will be Kleinia Stapeliiformis, or the pickle plant succulent. This is a native of South Africa and is a perennial succulent and loves the warmth of the summer, and generally goes dormant during winter, so if you are from a frost affected zone, then please protect it from snow. The plant is from the genus Senecio from the Asteraceae family. The succulent is popular due to these pencil-like stems that have this fine spine-like structure that is apparently the leaves, which makes it look like a gherkin, hence the name pickle plant. This is a non-toxic plant, but remember, if something doesn't taste good, then don't eat it. The stems can either grow erect or can trail. I like the plant growing erect, so trim off the ones that have a vine-like growing pattern. The stem can grow up to a height of 10 to 14 inches and it can produce red to orange flowers. The plant gets a hue of purple when exposed to sunlight. The roots of the plant are rhizomatous and new plants arise from these rhizomes. The newer shoots look pale compared to its fully grown counterpart. So now let us quickly look at the growing conditions this plant enjoys. Sunlight. This can tolerate both full sun to partial sunlight. Desist from growing this in a dark place if you're growing this indoors. A bright southwest window would be ideal. Avoid keeping this under full sunlight if you're in a place that receives high rainfall. This is a summer-loving plant and hates frost, so if you live in snow countries, then bring this plant indoors. Now for the potting mix, I've used a well-draining potting mix of 50% sand and 50% compost. Add the plant into the new container by covering the plant at the same level as it was in the earlier container. Avoid using a lot of garden soil or red soil and coco peat for all your succulents as a thumb rule. Succulents are known to do well in poor soil. Next, we talk about watering. It is very important for you to remember that the plant will die of rot if overwatered. So be very careful while watering. Make sure you water this once the soil has completely dried. So during the summer months, water this a little more than the winter months, during which it goes dormant. Do the finger test and see if the plant needs water, only then water the plant. Even if you forget watering this for a few weeks, it will still survive because this is quite drought tolerant. Fertilizing. Do not over-fertilize the plant because it can make the plant look leggy, which is not the ideal look you want from this plant. So use compost once a year and that would be enough. You can propagate this plant using a stem cutting or seeds. Stem cutting would be the best bet in propagating this plant than seeds. An additional tip would be that you can use a wider container than a deeper one to get more of these pickle stems that give this plant the distinction of a snake plant of the succulent world. With this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of the Rare Succulent series. I hope to buy some more of these rare beauties for your viewing pleasure. Thank you for watching, and if you like this episode, then please like, share and subscribe. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. So until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.
Yeah.